Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of our software called LinkZap. Okay, so this is actually a link management software, or you can say it a URL shortener. Okay, by using this software you can short your URL, okay, by using these tools. Okay, let's say if I want to short URL, for example, if I want to short this long URL, then I can do it. I can give it a custom name, as well as I can change the metadata, geo targeting, or if you want to add your deep linking, okay, device targeting, the language target. If you want to use your pixel, like your a Facebook pixel, then you can also do that. You can also set the A/B split testing with this shortened link. Okay, so there are so many things you can do for the short link, and also you will when someone click, then you will get the insight notification, insight information, like from where people clicked the link, okay, and how many hours or minutes ago they clicked, their browser, their operating system, and so many other information. Okay, actually it will help you to set up data driven decision for your business. Okay, and then for the bio page you can set up your social media bio page. For example, you can see here I have a bio page where I added my social media link, the book a call button, okay, and some of our software link with the videos, okay, and so many other things you can see here. Okay, you can share this link with your friends or your audience on social media or wherever you want, in your email. Okay, and then once they click, they will get everything in one place. Okay, so you can also add so many other things also. Okay, and then the third option is for QR code generator. Okay, so if you need to create QR code for your business, then you can create QR code, okay, with this software, and you can share the code with your friends or your audience so that they can scan through their mobile. Okay, and then they can get your QR code result. Like if you want to redirect them to a specific link, or if you want to show a text message, or if you want to a WhatsApp message, okay, whatever you want, then you can do with this QR code. And you can also customize the QR code, the color, the design, and everything. Okay, and also with this software you can set up the split test. You can use the custom splash page, or set up the deep link or city overlay, whatever you want. Okay, so that's the overview of this software. Okay, hope you get the idea of the power of this LinkZap software. And if you with this software you can do so many things. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video also. Okay, if you find this helpful, then you can get this software from us. Okay, and we are also going to offer this software as a bundle of our main product, GHL Code Snippet. You will get the information on our page. Okay, into the link, you will get the link into the description of this video. Thank you.